In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Soundcloud in WordPress. If you're looking to integrate a Soundcloud track or playlist into your WordPress site, you're in the right place. This process is simple and quick, allowing you to seamlessly add audio content to enhance your site's user experience. Let's start by navigating to wordpress.com. Open up a new browser tab and enter WordPress's URL. Once there, find the login button, usually located at the upper right hand corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be directed to the login page. Here you'll have several options to access your account. For convenience and security, select Continue with Google. This option simplifies the sign-in process by linking your Google account directly with WordPress. Clicking on this will open a new window displaying your Google accounts. If you're not signed in yet, you'll need to enter your Google credentials at this point. After signing in, you'll see a list of Google accounts currently linked to your browser. Choose the one you want to use with WordPress, select it, and in just a few moments you'll be taken to your WordPress dashboard. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to access the editing mode of your website. On the right side of your dashboard, you'll find a panel called Quick Links. Here, look for the option Edit Site and click on it. This action takes you into the back end of your WordPress site, where you can make changes to your current website's design and content. With the editing interface open, you will see a variety of tools available to customize your page. Focus on the top left corner, where you'll spot an Add button. This button is used to insert various types of content blocks into your page. Click it and a menu of block options will appear. In the search bar, type the word SoundCloud. Doing so will filter the block options and present you with a SoundCloud specific block. Now click on SoundCloud Embed. This is the block that allows you to embed SoundCloud content directly onto your page. Once added, the SoundCloud block will prompt you to enter a URL. Simply copy the URL of the SoundCloud track or playlist you wish to embed and paste it into the provided field. Press enter and your selected audio content will now be embedded on your page, ready to be listened to by your visitors. And there you have it, you've successfully integrated SoundCloud into your WordPress site. This feature not only enriches your site's content, but can also increase engagement by adding a dynamic audio element. Thanks for watching, and happy blogging!